It's been a while since I rode that thing. I'm just getting it out of the way because, you know, work on the Cobalt. Well, as I was saying, guys, today I'm gonna be working on the little beast, the little Cobalt. So I'll be changing out the water pump and see if that actually fixes my issue that I've been having. I've been having a lot of misfire with the car. Changed the downpipe, and obviously it didn't fix the problem. So hopefully me changing this will fix that problem. Alright guys, so let's get to it. I know the water pump is right in front of the car, so I'll be lifting up the car a little bit. That way I have some space so I can actually work there. Alright, so let's get the car lifted. Alright guys, so car's up in the air, but before I do anything, before I start taking out the pump, I'm gonna check if this is actually the correct pump. Don't be me, don't use your keys. Okay guys, so this is the pump right here. Ooh, that looks so nice. I don't know if this is staying on. I have to take out the other one, but looks about right. Yeah. Let me get to it. Alright guys, so I went on the car to go look at the pump, and they're exactly the same part. Right here on the side, the camera won't focus, but it's a part number, and that's one way you could compare them, and if they match, then they're the same part number, and then you could just look at the connections, you know, the inlet and outlet. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you real quick where to find it. So this is the front of the car. So you basically slide under the car, and right in back of your radiator, right by the oil pan, right next to the cross member, there is the pump right there. So basically, to take off the pump, you have to take off that clamp and that clamp up there, and then it has two bolts holding it down. There's one right there, and I can't get to the other one because it's on top of it on the other side. So basically, to take it off, you need 13 millimeter, and for these clamps, I would say use vice grips. That's usually what I use for that. And to disconnect it, there is a plug right here, and you just disconnect that plug and it should be good. So basically, like I said, this is all you need. 13 millimeter. It's not gonna catch it. Wrench and some vice grips and Crocs. Alright guys, so when I took off the plug off from the water pump, in order to take off the plug, mine had, I don't know what these are called, but it had this on it. I don't know if the camera's catching it, so let me go ahead and put it in the ground. So the camera had this little clip right here, and I just took it off, and when I took it off, the plug came out easily. So alright guys, so I'm actually gonna start taking off the water pump already. So if I run into some hard things with the water pump, like something I didn't mention, like the bolts or something like that, I'll let you guys know, and I'll try to record something on it. Right now I'm not gonna be able to be recording because I'm gonna be using both hands, and I'm gonna be under the car. So yeah, and yeah. One thing I ran into, guys, is I forgot, you know, the water pump's part of the cooling for the car, so it is gonna have antifreeze. So make sure you have like a little bucket or something. That way, you know, catch all the water that drop. Make sure to get a flathead screwdriver too. That way you could take off the hoses from the pump. I'll get back to y'all as soon as I take off that. Alright guys, so the pump is out. Hardest part, to be honest, was taking the hoses off because they were stuck to these tubes right here. So this is the bracket that I'm telling you that holds this. So basically it goes like that and it attaches to the car. 2 bolts and then just a plug right here. And that is literally it, guys. That's all you have to take off. So for the new one, at first it had this. I told you guys if I would run into any problems I would show you. So this actually went inside like this. And obviously it wasn't gonna bolt up. So all you have to do is, at least how I did it, there's probably an easier way, but stuck a flathead right here. Then there's these 2 little bolts in there. Those 2 little bolts, I just stuck it in there, popped them open, and boom, off it came. And yep, exact same part. So to install it, you'll put the hoses back where they belong. So hose would go here, here, then this go around here. 1 second, I am missing one thing. So when I actually took off this old pump, this was around it, I guess, so this would hold on to it tightly. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. And like I said, make sure you have like a pan or something. There was some antifreeze that fell, not much, but you know, it's better to just have it in handy. And I'll be installing it back, and I guess I'll cut this video here. It'll probably be short. So as I was saying, guys, I'll probably cut the video here. I'm just gonna install it back on, and I will try to do some pulls, and if I do, then obviously you'll see it on the video. If not, I'll make another video once I install that and I can actually do some pulls. The reason why is because, you know, I don't have any antifreeze, so it'll probably overheat. I don't want to do that. And if I try to go to a store right now, you know, everything's closing down pretty early because of, you know, coronavirus and stuff. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and stick around, and something should be getting here next week. I am not gonna say anything but on what it is, but it is something that at least I like, so you guys will probably like. So thanks for watching, guys.